crystals, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to do something new that I've never done before, and that is digital scrapbooking. I was really inspired by a few of you who told me in the comments that they have started digital scrapbooking. So today we are going to try digital scrapbooking, I guess. And to help us with today's adventures, we are going to get help from our sponsor, UGEE. I'm going to use the UGEE S1060W Pen Tablet. I wonder if it's gonna look as good as my actual real-life scrapbook pages. I've drawn in my cell phone before using Sketchpad, but it's so small and tiny. So with the help of today's device, hopefully I'll be able to create something better and something nice. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps the algorithm find me, to find you, and find each other, and find... That is all for today. Have a great day. Take good care. God bless. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.